Hey guys, welcome to another Orms TV video. Today we're looking at the Ready Rig GS ProArm rig. So this DJI Ronin 2 attaches to Velcros over here just underneath the hand grips, allowing a very secure and fast grip on it. Let's talk about how comfortable this rig actually is and how easy it is to assemble. 4 or 5 pieces in a box, quick clipping in, some lock-offs, and you're ready to go. I can clearly feel that all the weight is currently sitting in my hips. She's capable of carrying an 18 kilo payload. Arri Alexa Mini, Ursa Minis, Canon CE range, you can carry it all. I think it's always good to mention its competition. The Ready Rig's competition, the Easy Rig, uses a bungee cord, center column over here. And I find this a little bit more stable as I can take my hands off and the rig basically floats in front of me. The Easy Rig is a single bungee cord. It has a bit of a sway in it. And this rig is fully adjustable. I'm quite a tall guy, so we can adjust the back of this rig for my height. If you were a short, stocky person, you'd basically shorten the rig on itself, making the wear around your hips very comfortable. With these quick releases over here, you can adjust the actual length of the arms and where the actual rig sits. There's one in the fore, and then there's one here in the aft. Great engineering on these aluminium clasps over here. You've got 1/4 width and 3/8 thread on top here if you wanted to mount a monitor for quick reference. Carbon fiber, super lightweight, well engineered. Bungee cords seem very, very strong. Takes this payload very easily. Even the stitching and the Velcro on this unit is incredibly strong. Feels comfortable and distributes the weight over my hips and my shoulders evenly. This rig is perfect for using it on a sound set. Doesn't deliver any squeaking or any crackling or noise, and it's absolutely silent in use. In the back of this rig is a very useful cheese plate mounted right down at the bottom over here. Center point of gravity allows you to mount, say, V-lock systems, battery systems, and take the payload off your shoulders. So I've roughly had this rig on me for about an hour now, and I can still say I'm quite comfortable. My shoulders are good. My hips are taking all the weight. Great ease of use. Even going from the high shots down to the low shots, I even got capability of actually kneeling down. The range of use with this rig makes life a lot easier with this kind of payload on it. I would never be able to carry this rig in my hands without using the ProArm Ready Rig for an hour. This rig is great value for money. This Ready Rig, retailing for $46,000, gives you an edge on heavy grips in the film industry. Thanks for watching this review of this Ready Rig GS ProArms. If you like this review, please click like, share, and subscribe. Until we see you again.